A newborn is such for 6 weeks. However, most newborn photographers, such as myself, like to photograph a baby 2 weeks and under. Why? Their bones are nice and soft. They often curl up in womb-like positions, and they will often be very sleepy and much more settled. Each week, as a baby grows, their bones harden and they are more awake and alert and aware of their surroundings. With that being said, I believe it's important to work with professional photographers that understand how babies work of any age. I believe it's important to feed the baby before the session so they are nice, comfortable, and settled, and they have a full tummy. Above all, be safe, be aware, and make sure that you let your photographer know that you've had a newborn baby within 24 to 48 hours of having your baby so that you can schedule your session in time. If you miss that 2-week window, don't fret. Those babies are teeny tiny and they need to be captured.